Do you find yourself constantly worrying about your finances? Does the idea of saving money feel like an uphill battle? Is it hard to imagine building up your savings, especially when you're working hard and still living on a small income? Well, let me prove you wrong because I know you can do this. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find an extra $500 hiding in your current budget. We're going to uncover those hidden savings opportunities together. Fast, with real actionable steps you can take to start seeing results. And the best part? You can start implementing these strategies right after this video. Forget complicated budgets and overwhelming spreadsheets. We're keeping it simple. These tips work for anyone, regardless of their financial background, no matter your income or current financial situation. Ready to boost your bank account and start building a brighter financial future? Here are 5 simple ways to save $500 quickly and efficiently, starting right now. Let's get started. First things first, let's embark on a mission to hunt down those sneaky subscriptions that are quietly draining your funds each month. We're talking about the ones you might have forgotten about, or the ones that seemed like a good idea at the time but are no longer serving you. Open your bank or credit card app on your phone or computer. Now, carefully scan through your transaction history for any recurring charges, streaming services, apps you downloaded, and those subscription boxes you completely forgot about receiving. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to cancel at least 3 subscriptions you haven't actively used or engaged with in the last month. Be honest with yourself. Remember, every cancellation is instant, leading to immediate monthly savings. This isn't about deprivation or sacrificing the things you truly enjoy. It's simply about cutting out the excess, eliminating what you don't use, and reclaiming your financial freedom. Just watch how quickly those seemingly small amounts add up to significant savings over time. Next, try a no-spend challenge for 1 week. Only pay for essentials: rent, utilities, groceries, gas. No takeout, no shopping, no extras. Track what you would have spent, write it down. Most people save $100 plus in just 7 days. It's a quick reset for your spending habits. You'll be shocked at how much you can save, fast. Stop impulse buys with the 24-hour rule. When you want something non-essential, wait a full day before buying. Most urges fade, and you'll skip purchases you don't really need. This simple pause can save you hundreds over time. Make it your new habit for every want purchase. Let technology save for you. Use roundup apps like Acorns or Chime. Every purchase rounds up, and the spare change goes straight to savings. It's effortless and adds up fast without you noticing. Set it up once and let your digital spare change grow. You'll be surprised how quickly it builds your savings. Automate, forget, and watch your money stack up. It's time for a treasure hunt, right in the comfort of your own home. You might be surprised at what hidden gems you uncover when you start looking. Start at home. Begin by taking a good hard look at those cluttered spaces. We're talking about that messy closet, the overflowing garage, and any other spots where items tend to accumulate. Your mission? Find 10 things. 10 items that are just sitting around, not serving any real purpose. Things you don't use. Items that have been relegated to the back of the shelf, gathering dust and taking up valuable space. Think old gadgets, those tech devices you haven't touched in ages. Clothes, especially those lurking in the back of your closet that you never wear. Anything collecting dust. If it's been sitting untouched for months, it's a prime candidate. Snap photos of each item. Good lighting is key to making them look appealing. Write quick descriptions, highlighting the key features and any flaws. Honesty is the best policy, and list them on Facebook Marketplace, a great place to start locally, Poshmark if you're selling clothing or accessories, or eBay for a wider audience and potentially higher prices. Price to sell. Be realistic about what your items are worth. Remember, fast cash is better than waiting for more money that may never come. Many people make hundreds, even thousands, in a single weekend, just by decluttering and selling unwanted items. Clear your space, create a more organized and peaceful environment, and boost your bank account with some extra spending money. Turn your clutter, those items that are just taking up space, into cash today. It's a win-win situation. That's it. 5 fast ways to save $500. Combine these tips for a huge impact, or just start with one today. Don't wait. Action is what counts. Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first. Download the free savings tracker in the description to keep you motivated. Your first $500 is closer than you think. Go get it.